So I was able to print this today, and this will hopefully be the first part to upgrade my printer to a linear rod setup. This will go like that, I believe, and the belt will go through here. And there will be two linear rods that go that way, and there will be the Z rod that goes up like that through there, and there will be another linear rod on the side, and then there will be an anti backlash guy up there. But my question is, how can I get the print, I guess, to have less stringing? Especially, it's hard to tell because the lighting's not very good in here, but I could kind of reduce some of that. I'll obviously get some sandpaper, kind of clean this up, but if anybody has any suggestions on how to kind of make this even a little bit better, I would love to hear them. Thank you.